Hello everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel where I do drawing tutorials and other cool, fun, artsy stuff. And today in this video, I will talk about my YouTube channel. I will give you a really cool insight into my YouTube channel and you will find out how much a YouTuber with 50,000 subscribers can earn. Well, actually it's 57 right now, but I just rounded up a little bit. And if you stick till the end, you will see the statistics, my views, and of course earnings. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and let's start. This month I got 130,000 views on my channel. That's a lot, it's hard to comprehend. That is around 4,600 people watching my videos per day. Thank you everyone for watching my videos.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
On this next screen you can see how much money I make on those views every month. In Danish crown, it's around 2,200, which is about $315. For some people it's a lot, for some people it's a little, but really it depends on where you live. In my home country, Russia, $315 would buy me a lot more than here in Sweden, where stuff is a lot more expensive. Basically, the money I earn as a YouTube partner is earned every time someone is watching those commercials in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of my videos. It's really not a lot, it's a very tiny amount of money. It's around $0.001 per view, but in the end it all adds up. Do you want to become a better artist? Well, my YouTube channel basically has my total estimated earnings is pretty cool. It's around 71,000 Danish crowns. And let me open my currency converter app so I will tell you how much it is in other currencies. So that is around 110,000 Swedish crowns, around 10,200 US dollars, around 846,000 Indian rupees, and around 822,000 Russian rubles.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless.
I used those money to buy this iPad. Of course I was saving up for that, I wasn't just spending them. And that is actually very cool. I mean, those money can buy stuff, of course. It just depends on what you want to spend those money on. I was saving up and I got myself this iPad in 2020. So if you're thinking of becoming a YouTuber, I don't even know what to say honestly, because YouTube has changed its algorithm and there are a lot of people who are producing content. I would say give it a shot. You can always do something else if it doesn't, go where you want it to go. I hope you guys appreciated the insight into my YouTube channel. Now you know my thoughts about it, you know how much money I earn. A lot of people were interested in that, so here it is. Please leave me any comments if you want to ask me more stuff, and that's it. That's everything I wanted to tell you today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Bye!